Hey, yo, what is up mga kaangas? Chrisken TV here. Another day, another life, at another review na naman. So for today's video, i-review natin ang ating 50th founding anniversary Fratshirt na gawa ng Samahang Ilokano Nostalgic Co. For every purchase, you will receive a sealed merch together with a dome sticker na pwede sa inyong mga sasakyan. This shirt is exclusively designed for our 50th founding anniversary. It honors the legacy from 1975 to 2025. It features golden lettering of Samahang Ilokano at the top, standing strong as a symbol of identity and pride. At the center, the iconic hand sign rises with the dove of peace, representing solidarity and harmony within the brotherhood. And lastly, two cross paddle display the years of 1975 and 2025, signifying half a century unbroken legacy surrounding the official seal of Chassis 61892, printed in powerful tones of gold and Boston green. This shirt is more than just an apparel. It's a badge of loyalty, tradition, and unbreakable spirit of Chassis 61892.